I'm Karen Buscemi, owner of Detroit Sewn. For more than 8 years, I have helped clients from all over the country develop and launch their fashion brands. One thing that's most important to me is that people who want to launch fashion brands aren't wasting their money. Therefore, by learning everything that you need to know to get started, where you can save money, what you can do on your own, and what you should absolutely leave to the professionals is very key for you on your journey. My course is your starter guide to everything fashion manufacturing. I walk you through the entire process from preparing to look for a manufacturer all the way to going into production and everything in between. And know that when it's time for you to start your journey, you are prepared, you know what you are getting into, and you aren't wasting your money. You can find these courses at academy.detroitsewn.com. Your fashion brand journey awaits you. Let me help you get there with ease.